nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri Cricket neza neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
Good morning, dear class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you? I'm fine too. How do you feel?
I feel much better.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, you are welcome. I would like to warm up for today with a song called Body Part. It's related to the lesson we are going to start to study. Isn't it?
Yes.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Now stand up. You are going to repeat what I'm going to sing. Isn't it?
Yes.
This is my head.
This is my head.
I have two arms. I have two legs. These are my teeth.
These are my teeth.
To eat my food.
To eat my food.
Shake, 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 shake my butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Ra, la, la. God made me shake. Shake my butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Ra, la, la. God made me. We are going to repeat once again. Once again. Isn't it?
Yes.
Are you ready now?
Yes.
Let's go. This is my head.
This is my head.
I have two arms.
I have two arms.
I have two legs.
I have two legs.
These are my teeth.
These are my teeth.
To eat my food.
To eat my food.
Shake. Ra, la, la. God made me shake. My butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Shake, shake, shake my butt. Ra, la, la. God made me. Thank you. Clap for yourself. Now, sit down. Now, you are welcome. We are going to learn about body part. Are we together?
Yes.
We are going to learn about what? Body part. Repeat again. Body part. We are going to talk about the body part. Now, you know that our body is made up of different parts, isn't it? I'm going to show you different body parts. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, one from body part. This is hair. Repeat. Hair. Hair. This is my hair.
This is my head.
Hair. And head. This is my head.
This is my
This is my
head.
head.
This is my
Head.
head.
Head. Next part. Ears. 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 One ear. Two ears. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? Touch on your ears. And say ears. Another part, I'm going to show you eyes. Look at my eyes. Those are my eyes. 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 One eye. Two eyes. my nose? Nose. Nose. Next part of body is mouth. Mouth. Touch on your mouth. Show me your mouth. Look at your mouth. And say, look at your mouth. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Beat on your mouth. Beat on your mouth. Beat on your mouth. And say, mouth. 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 This is a chin. 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 Now, next part of body is neck. Neck. Touch on your neck. Move your neck. Move your neck. And you say, this is my neck. This is my neck. Neck. Speak loudly. Neck. Neck. This is my neck. Beat on your neck. Beat on your neck. Beat on your neck. Now, next part of body is arm. Raise your arm. Arm. How many arms do you have? 2 arms. Shake your arms. Shake. Shake your arms. Those are my arms. 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 Okay, very well. Next part of body is hand. 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 How many hands do you have?
2 hands.
How many hands do you have?
2 hands.
I have 2 hands.
I have 2 hands.
Now, we are going to clap using our hands. Clap your 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 hands. Wave your hands. Wave. 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 Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Okay, good. Clap for yourself. Yes, well done. Now, another part of body is, you know this one? Fingers. Fingers. How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
How many fingers do you have?
10 fingers.
Now, we are going to count our fingers, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, raise your arm. We are going to count our fingers. Let's go. 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers, 6 fingers, 7 fingers, 8 fingers, 9 fingers, 10 fingers. Clap. Now, we have 10 fingers. 10 fingers. Now, well done. Another part of body is leg. You stand up, touch on your leg, beat on your leg, and you say, leg. And you speak loudly, leg. Touch on another leg. How many legs do you have? 2 legs. 2 legs. And you say, there is a picture showing us the different body part. Isn't it?
Yes.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Now, fix your eyes on here on this picture. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, this picture has a different part. This is a picture of body part. Is a picture of what?
Body parts.
Repeat and speak loudly. Is a picture of what?
Body parts.
Okay, good. This is a picture of body part. Now, you are going to help me to name those different parts. Isn't it? Now, here I have different name of body part. Now we are going to name this picture by using those small papers. There are names of each part of body here. Isn't it? I'm going to show you one, and you read, and you come and show me the body part which is here on this picture. Are we together? Now, you are going to read here. The first one is, what can you read here? Yes, Teta. I speak loudly.
Food.
And you repeat it. Food.
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 Who can come and show me food here on this picture? Yes, Gisele. Gisele is coming and show us the food here on this picture. Okay, good. And you are going to name here. Go and sit. Food. This is a food. And read here. Food.
Food.
Speak loudly.
Food.
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 Next, the body part I have here. And you are going to read. What can you read here?
Picture.
Yes, Marvin. Repeat.
Chest.
And repeat again.
Chest.
Who can come and show us chest here on this picture? Yes, Miriam. Miriam is going to show us chest. Thank you. Clap for her. Here is a chest. Speak loudly.
Chest.
And read here.
Chest.
Beat on your chest. Beat on your chest 3 times by counting. 1, 2, 3. And you say 1, 2, 3, chest. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, chest. Now, very well. Next, the body part I have here. What can you read here?
Picture.
Yes, Daniela. Repeat. Ha. Who can come and show us the hands here on this picture? Daniela is going to show us hands here. Yes, clap for her. And you read hand. Next, the body part is, what can you read here?
Picture.
Yes, Aseria. Thank you, clap for him. Here is
Knee.
speak loudly.
Knee.
Repeat again.
Knee.
Thank you very much. Another body part is here is
Picture.
Daniela is going to read it for us. And you repeat.
Toe.
Repeat.
Toe.
Toes.
Toe.
Toes.
Toe.
Who can come and show us toes here on this picture? Shemusa. Shemusa is coming to show us toes on this picture here. Clap for her. Good. Here there is toes. Repeat toes. 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 Next, the body part we have here is, what can you read here? Ishensha. Repeat. And speak loudly. Finger. Who can come and show us finger on this picture? Miss Teta. Teta is going to show us finger on this picture. Yes, clap for her. And read here. Here is. Here we have. Speak body we have here is? What can you read here? Yes, Marvin? Repeat. Speak loudly. Loudly. Yes, and me, I'm going to show you here on this picture. Isn't it? Is this here? Yes. Yes, clap for yourself. Now, another body part we have here is, what can you read here? Tracy. Repeat. Shoulder. Speak loudly. Repeat once again. Who can come and show us the shoulder on this picture? Mukunga blessing. Thank you, clap for her. This is shoulder. Shoulder. Now, we have another part of body which is here is Isheja. Repeat. Speak loudly. Repeat once again. Arm. Who can come and show me? Arm here. Muhizi. Muhizi is coming and show us arm here on this picture. Thank you, clap for Mr. Muhizi. Very well. Now, next part of body here is, what can you read? Yes, Daniela? Repeat. Repeat once again. And speak loudly. Neck. Who can come and show us neck? Shemusa is going to show us neck there on that picture there. Yes, clap for her. Here there is a neck. And you read? Show me your neck. Move your neck. Thank you. Well done. Another part of what I have here is? Speak loudly. Again. Now, I'm going to show you hair. Isn't it? Is this a hair? No. Is this a hair? No. Is this a hair? No. Is this hair? No. Is this hair? Yes. Thank you, well done. This is hair. Hair. Show me your hair. Touch on your hair. And you say, this is my hair. This is my hair. Very well. Next part of body I have here is? No. Repeat once again. No. Speak loudly. No. Nose. No. Nose. No. Touch on your nose. Show me your nose. And you say, nose. No. This is my nose. One nose. One nose. Who can come and show me nose here? Justin. Justin is coming and show us nose here on this picture. Thank you, clap for him. And say, are you ready here? No. Nose. No. Speak loudly. No. Repeat once again. No. Now, another part I have here is? No. This is? No. Repeat again. No. Now, I'm going to show you mouth here on this picture. Isn't it? Is this a mouth? No. Is this a mouth? No. Is this a mouth? Yes. Yes, clap for yourself. No, them again. This is mouth. 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 Very nice. Another part of what I have here is? Head. Is? Head. Speak loudly. Head. Repeat once again. Head. Touch on your head. Shake your head. Shake. Is it good? Yes. And say, okay. Okay, good. I'm going to show you head. Isn't it? Is this head?
No.
This is the head?
No.
Speak loudly. This is the head?
No.
This is the head?
No.
This is the head?
Yes.
Oh, clap for yourself. And you read here, head. Head. Next, the part of body I have here is, look at it here. Eyes. How many eyes do you have? Count them. Count them again. And you say, I have 2 eyes. I'm going to show you eyes here on this part. This is eyes. Eyes. Okay, clap for yourself. Now we have our body parts. Now our picture is full, isn't it?
Yes.
Now we are going to read and speak loudly. We are going to read all the part of body, isn't it? And read here. Repeat once again. Here. And here. And here. And here. Here. This one. Here. Here. Then here. And here. And here. Then here. And here. And here. Clap, 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 clap. Very well. Those are our body parts, isn't it? It means that our body part is made up of different parts, isn't it? Now stand up. We are going to repeat that song. Start with it, isn't it? Now stand up. And we sing once again. I'm going to sing and you repeat. This is my head. This is my head. I have 2 arms. I have 2 arms. I have 2 legs. I have 2 legs. These are my teeth. To eat my food. Shake. My body. Shake my body. Ra la la. God made me. Shake. Shake my body. Shake my body. Ra la la. God made me. Thank you very much. Sit down. Yes, you are welcome. You have to take care of your body, isn't it? You have to take care of your body. You have to take care of all parts of your body. Is it all sound good?
Yes.
It was good?
Yes.
Now, clap your hand. Clap your hand. Clap your hand. Bye-bye. See you next time. I love you so much. Thank you.
nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri cricket neza neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.